Hello, this is our Swageless Lag Screw. This is a terminal, so it's designed to hold the cable still. And it features our newest insert. And so this guy is made out of a solid piece of marine grade T316 stainless steel and is much easier to work with. Let me show you here. So when this guy's installed, or with the older inserts, you actually had to take the heads off. And with this guy, you don't. So you can actually just take it, wiggle it around, slides in, and tighten it up. And then that should hold onto the cable tight there. But you definitely don't want to do it by hand. You want to use a 12 and a 10 wrench and tighten that up pretty good. And then lock this onto there, and that'll keep it from backing out on you. These are super, super easy to work with. They look really clean. They're also made out of, everything here is marine grade stainless steel T316. And if you have any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.